Good morning, children. Today I will discuss about the state Sikkim. We have already discussed about the land of seven sisters, and today it is about Sikkim. In the picture you can locate the Sikkim. The red region marks the state Sikkim. You can see in this map of India, it is in the northeast India. A very small state. It is close to India's Siliguri corridor. It separates from the land of seven sisters by this Siliguri corridor. It is the second smallest among the Indian states after Goa. So, Sikkim is famous for its beauty. It is the most beautiful state of India. It is located in the foothills of the Himalayas, the snow-capped mountains, the picturesque lakes, waterfalls and colorful valleys you can see in these pictures together form the beautiful Sikkim. Sikkim is popular for its beauty. आम देशर सुंदरतम राज्य मानक मध्यरे सिक्किम अन्यतम. सिक्किम रो ब्यूटीफुल लेक्स, सुंदर उपत्यका, विभिन्न कलरफुल उपत्यका, बरफ आच्छादित माउंटेन, ब्यूटीफुल वाटरफॉल्स समस्त को आकृष्ट करे. लेट्स ओपन योर बुक पेज नंबर 50. Paragraph 15. Situated in the eastern Himalayas, Sikkim is one of the most beautiful states of India. The Sikkim festivals are celebrated with a lot of pomp and show, and as per the Buddhist calendar. Throughout these festivals, people take part in lively dances and music. Saga Dawa is an amazing Buddhist festival celebrated on the full moon day in Tibetan lunar month between May and June. On this sacred day, people visit the monasteries, offer prayers, water, incense sticks and butter lamps. The festival commemorates the birth, enlightenment and death of Lord Buddha. I have already given you the notes and glossaries. So, the people of Sikkim celebrate their festivals in the most attractive manner. They celebrate very wonderfully, very beautifully their festivals. You can see from these pictures how happy they are. The first festival is the Saga Dawa festival. Throughout this festival, people take part in lively dances and music. It is an amazing Buddhist festival they celebrate, and it is celebrated on the full moon day in Tibetan lunar month between May and June. Lunar month, Tibetan lunar month is Chandramasa. So, it is a period of 4 weeks. Lunar month is a period of 4 weeks from one full moon day to another full moon day. गोटे पूर्णिमा रु अन्य एक पूर्णिमा मध्यर पीरियड को कहा जाए lunar month, Tibetan lunar month. So it is celebrated between the month of May and June. Okay, so the festival Saga Daga, the word Saga means the 4th week and the word Dawa means month. So it is celebrated on the full moon day of Tibetan lunar month. Saga Daga. People wear colorful dresses, go to monasteries, offer prayers, water, incense sticks, and in this way they celebrate the festival Saga Daga. And how they celebrate this festival Saga Dawa? What do the people do? During this festival, people go to monasteries. You can see in this picture different monasteries. What is monasteries? Monasteries is the place where the Buddhist monks live. They visit to monasteries, offer prayers, water, incense sticks and butter lamp. Incense sticks as we offer during our festival to Lord, that is Dupakathi, and butter lamp Ghiya Dipa. So all these they also offer, and this festival is for Buddha. They observe this festival in the name of Buddha, and in this festival they commemorates the birth, enlightenment and death of Lord Buddha. They pay respect to Lord Buddha's path, his knowledge and death. In his respect, they celebrate this festival Saga Dawa. You can notice in these pictures how colorfully, how brightly, how attractively they celebrate all their festival, how colorful dress they have worn, how beautifully they celebrate their festivals. This is called pomp and show. So it is written in your book, they celebrate their festival with a lot of pomp and show. So Lord Buddhaଙ୍କ ସମ୍ମାନରେ ତାଙ୍କର ବାର୍ଥ, ତାଙ୍କର ଜ୍ଞାନ, ତାଙ୍କର ଡେଥ୍, ତାଙ୍କର ଜ୍ଞାନୋଦୟର ମାର୍ଗକୁ ମନେ ପକାଇ ସିକିମିଜ୍ ମାନେ ସାଗଦାୱା ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲକୁ ସେଲିବ୍ରେଟ୍ କରନ୍ତି ଏବଂ ଡ୍ୟୁରିଂ ଦିସ୍ ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲ ସିକିମ୍ ପିପୁଲ ମାନେ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ବୁଦ୍ଧ ମନ୍ଦିର ମଠକୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତି ଯେଉଁ ବୌଦ୍ଧ ସାଧୁସନ୍ତମାନେ ରହିଥାନ୍ତି। ସେଠାରେ ଯାଇ ସେମାନେ ୱାଟର, ଧୂପକାଠି, ପ୍ରେୟାର, ଦୀପ ସବୁ ଅଫର କରି ଏ ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲଟିକୁ ଏକଦମ କଲରଫୁଲ ୱେରେ, ଏକଦମ ଲାଭିସ୍ ୱେରେ, ଏକଦମ ୱିଥ୍ ମଚ୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରେଷ୍ଟ ସେମାନେ ସେଲିବ୍ରେଟ୍ କରନ୍ତି। ନାଓ ଲେଟ୍ସ ସି ଦି ଅଦର ପାର୍ଟ ଅଫ୍ ଦିସ୍ paragraph 15. Losang is celebrated at the end of the harvest season. Locals wearing brightly colored masks, playing fascinating musical instruments perform charm dance. Archery contest is also held along with feasting and other celebrations. Tibetan New Year, Losar, is marked with immense joy, extensive meals and merriment. It is usually held in February. Tihar is the festival of light. It is somewhat like Diwali. So another festival of Sikkim is Losang, and it is celebrated at the end of harvest season. So it is a harvest festival as we celebrate during Margasira Masa. Similarly, they also celebrate at the end of their harvest festival. आमे जेमती मार्गशीर मासरे आमर फसल अमल होला परे लक्ष्मीଙ୍କର पूजा करे, similarly they also, the Sikkimese also celebrate Losang at the end of their harvest season. This is the festival Losang. And you can see in these pictures how colorful masks they have worn. Local wearing brightly colored masks. मुहरे से माने विभिन्न रंगर चित्रित मास्क सब पिंधंती. Playing fascinating musical instruments and also they perform their folk dance Cham. Cham is the folk dance of Sikkim, as Bihu is of Assam. Similarly, Cham is the folk dance of Sikkim people. And also during the festival of Losang, archery contest. Archery contest is Dhanusara. Dhanusara contest हुए is also held along with feasting. एकदम वर्णाढ्य एकदम बहु आडंबर भोजी भात करा जाए and they enjoy their festivals a lot. This is the festival Losang. The third festival of Sikkim is Losar. Again, Losar. Losar. The word Lo means new and Sar means year. It is the Tibetan New Year, and during this festival they are very happy. It is marked with immense joy, extensive meals and merriment. They are extremely happy. They are immense joy. They are very happily celebrate this festival, New Year festival, Losar. As we celebrate Makar Sankranti, they also celebrate Losar, and it is held in the month of February. The fourth festival of Sikkim is the festival Tihar. It is somewhat like our festival Diwali. Tihar is the festival of light. During this festival, they light lamps, light candles, as you see in this picture. So this is all about the state Sikkim and the festivals of Sikkimese. So go through your textbook, note down the points and read the text. Thank you.